Sophia's 2024 Honda Prologue kept pulling to the left on the freeway every time she pressed on the brake. The dealer kept telling her that they're still investigating every time that she took it in. But with our help, Honda was forced to give her a brand new replacement vehicle. Here's exactly how we did it and how you could also get the same result. The 2024 Honda Prologue is Honda's very first all-electric SUV, their big bet on the future of driving. Built on GM's Ultium platform, zero emissions, and Honda's legendary reliability reputation backing it. With a starting price around $48,000, Sophia was investing in the future. She thought she was making a smart move, but within weeks, that move became a mistake. First, a clicking noise started coming from the front of her Honda Prologue every time she braked. Not faint, loud enough to make passengers notice. Then the steering wheel began pulling hard to the left on the freeway. She was constantly correcting, fighting the car to drive straight. She brought it to the dealership. They told her they were still investigating before they could proceed with repairs. The repair order said, "Concern noted, awaiting technical guidance from Honda. Customer advised to return." Let us translate that for you. This is what happens with first-year models and new platforms. The dealership doesn't have repair procedures yet because the defect is too new. But the delay isn't your problem. You bought a finished product at full price. And the Lemon Law doesn't give manufacturers extra time to figure out their own vehicles. Weeks later, the clicking got louder and the pulling got worse on her 2024 Prologue. She went back, same answers, still investigating, parts on back order. Come back later. Meanwhile, Sophia was making monthly payments on a Honda Prologue that Honda's own dealership couldn't figure out how to fix. She'd bought it to save money on gas and do something good for the environment. Instead, she was burning time, burning patience, and getting nowhere. Here's a fact that's especially relevant for anyone who buys a first model year vehicle. California's Lemon Law doesn't give manufacturers a pass because a vehicle is new to the market. Whether it's a brand that's been around for 50 years or a platform that launched last month, the same Lemon Law rules apply. If the dealership can't fix it within a reasonable number of attempts, the manufacturer is responsible. Being new is not a legal defense. Sophia's 2024 Honda Prologue was Honda's first EV, but the law treated it the same as any other vehicle. That's not what anyone expects when they buy a vehicle. That's a lemon. When Sophia reached out to us, we reviewed her repair records, built her Lemon Law case, and helped her file a claim against Honda. The result? A brand new replacement vehicle. Without losing the money they had already invested in their previous defective model. The best part is she didn't pay anything out of pocket. All she gave us in return was a 5-star review. Under California Civil Code Section 1794D, the manufacturer, not you, must pay for your attorney fees. That's how we've helped thousands of California drivers, just like you, get their money back without paying a penny. If you think your car is a lemon, give us a call right now or tap the link in our bio to use our free compensation calculator and find out how much money we could get for you in less than 30 seconds.